Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to add an email signature in Pipedrive? This guide will show you how to create and add a professional email signature to your Pipedrive emails, ensuring your messages look polished and branded. So guys, let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing, guys, that you have to do is to go ahead and open Pipedrive and log into your accounts. Then we have to do a couple of things. Well, first of all, I'm going to be doing it depending on this article that is made by pipedrive.com. So creating your signature. To create your email signature in Pipedrive, you have two ways. Email synchronization settings, go to personal preferences, email synchronization, signatures, then click plus add signature. So you have to go to email sync settings. Let's go and click on this mail, and as you can see, we are now on this picture. So here you have to connect your emails accounts like sales, email to deals, etc. Let's connect this email, and there we go. Continue, and here select what Pipedrive CRM can access, send email on your behalf, see and edit email labels, read, compose, send emails from your Gmail accounts. So let's simply give them these two options, and as you can see, there we go. So now connect. Let's do this again so you can have it in there. And maybe we have to give them all the options, probably. Let's go ahead and give them all the options. And let's wait. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we have to give them all the options. Now let's start the synchronization. There we go, and it is done. Now for the signatures, we have to go to this area and add signature. Then, in case we would like to add any signature, we will need to give it a name. Let's name it email or customers marketing signature. Now, as you can see here, we need to follow a couple of things. So you need to add a signature name, as you can add multiple email signatures. Now you will be promoted with the signature composer. Once you finish configuring your signature, save the changes. Now email composer, you can add, as you can see, go to compose email right here. So we can go here and basically add a lot of things, and once we are done with our email, we can literally add a whole signature. Now let's wait here. Let's go around in this article, check how they are making their signatures look like. Hello, for example, let's see from Pipedrive. So let's add here something like best regards, Suarez Lopez from Titan Ltd. Make sure that this one is bold and this one is italic, and just like that. We can add here a comma, and we have now the signature, so we can add it, click on save. And now, as you can see, whenever we try to create an email, once we do that, let me just go to campaigns, like here. Let's go to email templates, click on edit. So as you can see, like here, in this section, so when you go to email composer, go to any compose email prompts in Pipedrive. This can be done from the email, from the mail tab, or from the send email function on the detail view of a deal or contract. Then click on the select signature button, then manage email signature, and you will be simply taken to email synchronization signatures. Then click plus add signature, and we recommend creating signature directly in Pipedrive to avoid errors. If you create a signature externally and copy it into Pipedrive, it might create HTML inconsistencies. So you probably have to do it the way that we did it in this video. And once you're done, you simply have to add it, and yeah, you will be good to go. Then you will now have always a signature in the bottom of your emails that you don't have to do it every time and write it all the time by your own. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will try to answer all of your questions one by one. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.